Hi everyone, back with a new recipe. It's dry rub ranch chicken wings and creamed asparagus. And it is around 3 servings. So here's what you will need. You'll need wings. You can use the wings or the drummy. I used both and it was 16 of them. And then you'll need eggs, butter, cream cheese, fresh or frozen asparagus, a pack of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, almond flour, olive oil, pink salt and pepper, and then you will need a spatula and fry pan, a big pot for boiling water, a bowl for mixing your egg in, and then a deep fryer. Let's start by boiling our chicken on the stove. So fill it a little more than halfway with water, add your 16 wings on a high heat, and you'll see the wings in there. And in the wings, you're going to add about a teaspoon of the pink salt into the water, and then cover it. Once it comes to a boil, which is going to be pretty quick, then you're going to turn it down to about 7 or 8. So it's still going to be boiling, but just keep an eye on it. Now let's wash our asparagus. 2 servings. That's around 7 asparagus each. So it's like 14 of them. And then cut it up into bite-sized pieces. The asparagus, I just did 2 servings. Now let's get our deep fryer going with the whole thing of olive oil. There's the amount there, and turn it on 400. And then cover it and let it heat up. Let's get our seasoning going. You'll need the whole pack of the ranch seasoning. And there's the amount there. It's a 1 ounce package. And then you'll need a half cup of almond flour and then just mix it up. And then scramble 2 eggs. And now your chicken should be ready. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook on the stove. Cut them in half if you did get the 2, the drummy and the wings. Cut them in half. Start with the drummies. So run it through the egg wash and then just lightly through the dry rub. I just set it down so I could take a photo, but just use a spoon. Hold it in the air and just lightly do it so you don't use too much seasoning or you'll go through it too fast. And then drop it into your hot oil. Now let's get our asparagus cooked up in 2 tablespoons of butter on a medium heat, and throw your asparagus in and add heavily pink salt and light on the pepper. And then just keep stirring around till they're cooked up. Once they're cooked there, you'll see the picture. We're going to add a half a pack of cream cheese. And then we're just going to let that cook down. Now we're going to go on to, well, the drummies are done, so we're going to pull it out, set it on a plate with a paper towel to drain. And now we're going to start the process again with the wing now. Dip it in the egg and lightly season it again. I've got it set down there just so I could take a photo, but I held it up and used a spoon just to sprinkle on the seasoning or your fingers. Drop it back into the hot oil now, or into the hot oil. And now your creamed asparagus should be done. Just give it a good mix and set it aside. And now your wings should be done. It took about 6 minutes in the deep fryer because they were already cooked. Throw them on your paper towel plate and let them drain. And now you can serve up. It was 3 servings except for the asparagus. That's only 2 servings. But if you made 3, then it would be 28 asparagus sticks. And there you go. There's the plate right there. And that is 11 net carbs total right there. And it was 3 drummies and 3 wings. Oh my gosh, these were so good. I love dry rub chicken wings. So definitely try it out. I did use a little bit of ranch on the side, but basically when you see my video, my food video, I just ate it plain. Always keep it keto.